good to me. Okay, very good. So let's give a round of applause for yourself. And give a round of applause for the Lord. Okay, very good. So before you sit down, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and arrange it properly. Okay, you may now sit down. So let's check your attendance first. So say I'm here if your name is Cole. So Bibat, Heraldes,
Present.
Libo, Kabugos. Okay, no one is absent for today. So how was your weekend class? Okay, very good. So you must never forget to spend time with your family and thank God for giving you a wonderful life and a loving family. So have you enjoyed spending time with your family, class? Okay, very good. So before we will officially start our lesson for today, let's have a review first about our topic that we had taken last Friday. So who among you here can still remember our lesson from? Yes, Miss? Very good. So our lesson last Friday was about recycling basics. Very good. So what is recycling, class? Yes, Mr. Herales? Very good. So recycling is the process of converting waste materials into a new materials or objects. Very good. So who among you here can give me at least 2 examples of a recycling product? Yes? Very good. Plastic lampshade. Another one. Very good. Waste for fake flowers made up of a colored popsicle sticks. Very good. So do you understand our lesson last Friday, class? Very good. So is there any questions, clarifications about our last topic, class? Very good. So for this morning, we will watch a video clip and you must try to familiarize the following method of food preservation. So are you ready to watch a video clip, class? Very good. So this is the video clip. So, and I want you to listen very carefully and give at least 3 food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation. So later on, I will pick at least 3 students to discuss the food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation. So, okay, that ends the video clip. Do you understand the video clip, class? Okay, very good. So, Miss Bibat, can you please give me at least 1 food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation? Okay, very good. The food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation is the vegetable. Very good. So, let's give her a round of applause. Very good. So, another one, Miss Libo, can you please give me a 1 food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation? Yes? Okay, very good. Sit down, Miss. It's the food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation. Very good. So, lastly, Mr. Heraldes, can you please give me the food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation? Okay, very good. So the seafood are the food that undergoes the canning method of food preservation. Very good. Who among you here can give me the importance why we should study food preservation, class? Yes, Miss Kabugos? Okay, very good. So we must study food preservation because food preservation can help us to know how to inhibit bacterial growth on the food and the other types of food spoilage. So with the help of this food preservation, we can assure that our food is safe and satisfying to eat in the future. Very good. So for this morning, we will be having another activity. But before that, I will group you into 3 groups. So this is the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So I will let you pick a set of pictures inside the magic box. Each group must have a representative, and that representative will be the one to pick here a set of pictures. And they must preservation has been used. Very good. So, do you understand the activity, class? Okay, very good. So, are you ready? Okay, very good. So, may I call on the representatives of the group to please pick a set of pictures inside a magic box. Okay, the group 1, the group 2, the group 3. Okay, very good. So, may I call on the representatives of the group 1 to please portray the set of pictures. Okay, very good. So, the group 1 got 13 points. Very good. So, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, very good. May I call on the group 2? Very good. So, the group 2 got 14 points. So, let's give them a round of applause. How about the group 3? Okay, let's give them a round of applause. So, the group 3 got 12 points. So, I have here a questions about the activity. So, please raise your hand if you know the answer, class. So, if a lid doesn't seal, can the food be processed? Yes? Very good. So, the food can still be processed as long as it is done within 24 hours. But if you reprocess it, you must never expect that the food has still the same quality, because the quality of the food goes down if it is reprocessed. So, do we need to sterilize the jars, class? Anyone? Very good. It's okay not to sterilize the jars as long as you undergo it in the process of pressure canner or you boil it with water. So, is it okay to use jars when canning? Yes? Very good. So, it is okay to reuse jars as long as you check the condition of your jars and you check if the jars have breaks or cracks. So, if it has breaks or cracks, you must use new jars and never reuse it. So, why is it important to study the food preservation? Anyone? Yes? Very good. So, it is very important to study the food preservation, because food preservation can teach you how to inhibit the growth of the bacteria or the other types of food spoilage. Preservation can assure you that your food is safe and satisfying to eat. Very good. Our lesson for today, class, is about the methods of food preservation. So, at the end of the lesson, you learners will be able to identify the main aims or objectives in learning the method of food preservation. Second, delineate the methods of food preservation. Third, appreciate the importance of food preservation. So, but before that, we will identify first what is food preservation. So, food preservation, it is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down food spoilage, loss of quality, edibility or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. So, when we say food preservation, it helps us to inhibit the bacterial growth and other types of food spoilage. It can also help us to assure that our food is safe to eat and satisfying to eat in the future. So, our first method of food preservation is the drying. Drying is the removal of moisture or water in food. It can be done in natural, special ways. So, when we say drying, it is the easiest and most common method of food preservation. It is also the oldest method of food preservation, class. So, through the help of this method of preservation, the food is removed. So, this method of food preservation is done in a natural and in a artificial way. So, when we say a natural way, it is where artificial way. So, when we say a natural way, it is where the food is salted and heat in place under the heat of the sun. When we say artificial way, this is where the food is heated using a mechanical dryer. So, the food heated air. This is the drying method of food preservation. The second method of food preservation is the cooling. Cooling preserves food by slowing down the growth and reproduction of microorganisms and the action of enzymes the food to rot. So this method is used to reduce the temperature of the food. So on this method of food preservation, the food is kept in low temperature to prolong the freshness. The cooling method of food preservation. So, third method of food preservation is the freezing. So it is a food preservation by lowering the temperature to inhibit microorganisms growth. So when we say freezing, the food will just be put on the freezer and wait till it become to be consumed. So yung food na nakalagay sa freezer is what we call freezing method of food preservation. The freezing method of food preservation class. So, boiling, it is a method of food preservation where it can help kill any existing growth. So this is the boiling method of food preservation class. So, the next one is the heating. It is a method of food preservation which is sufficient to kill microorganisms. So, heating is quite similar to the boiling method of food preservation, but heating doesn't require water to preserve food. So, the high heating method is sufficient to kill a microorganism. The next method of food preservation is the salting. So dry and wet or dry salting are the two types of salting. Putting layers of salt in a jar, pot, or a tray to bring out the water content of food is a form of dry. So when we say salting method of food preservation, it is the application of salt in the food. So this is the salting method of food preservation. Method is the canning. Canning is the process of applying heat to food that's sealed in jar in order to destroy any microorganism that can cause food spoilage. So when we say canning, it is where the food is processed, placed in an airtight cans or sealed in an airtight cans. So this is the canning method of food preservation. So when we say jellying, it is a method of preserving food by cooking the materials that solidifies to form a gel. So this is a method of food preservation class where the food or the materials solidifies to a gel. So this preservation makes the food into a gel. This is the jellying method of food preservation. So when we say burial, it is a method where food are preserved in soil that is very dry and salty. So burial, this is a method of food preservation where the food is placed under the soil or placed in the soil. So this is the burial method of food preservation class. Do you understand our lesson for today, class? Very good. So in order for me to can be able to check that you really learned something about our lesson for today, so let's have a group activity first. So this is the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So I want you to have a role play showing the importance of food preservation. Each group must have a representative class. So that representative will be the one explaining your presentation and answering the question, why is it important to study about food preservation? Do you understand our activity, class? Very good. So I will give you 15 minutes to discuss or to plan about your presentation. Okay, time is up. So may I call on the group 1 to present your role play. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. May I call on the group 2 to please come here in front and present your role play. Give them a round of applause. So how about the last group, the third group? So let's give them a round of applause. So you really understand our lesson for today. So what was our topic for today, class? Very good. What are the 10 methods of food preservation, class? Very good. Why is it important to study food preservation? Yes, very good. It is very important to study food preservation because it helps us to know how to inhibit bacterial growth or other types of food spoilage. Very good. So for your assessment, I want you to answer this for only 5. So please get 1 and pass. Okay? Time is up. So please pass your paper. Finished or not finished. Okay? Thank you. So for your assignment, class, I want you to create a poster that shows the importance of knowing the proper ways on doing food preservation. On the space below, I want you to explain your way of work and give the best information about food preservation that helps you the most. So the criteria: creativity 10 points, cleanliness 5 points, originality 10 points, explanation will be 25 points, a total of 50 points. So do you understand our lesson for today, class? Okay, very good. So please stand up and goodbye, class.